Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to get free crypto fast without any investment. Hello everyone, I'm Jason and the website that we'll be reviewing is Lootgain. As you can see, I'm currently on lootgain.com and it's quite easy to sign up, and as you can see right here, you'll be able to earn up to $20 per day. But this $20 figure, it all depends on the country that you're currently residing in, as you'll be able to get better surveys depending on the country that you are in. But it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you'll still be able to make money with Lootgain. So after signing in with your email address, or you can simply tap on sign up with Google, it's quite easy to sign up. You'll be led to this page, which is your dashboard. But before going any further, let us do some research on what is Lootgain. As you can see, Lootgain.com is a get paid to website that partners with leading market research companies that allows people from around the world to earn money by completing surveys, playing games, and completing other online tasks. How to earn money on Lootgain? All you'll have to do is tap on earn page right here and you'll be able to earn some loot. And once you have earned the loot, you'll be able to tap on Cashout, which is what I like. And with Cashout, you'll be able to claim Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Dogecoin if you like. And once your profile is verified, your Cashout will be processed instantly. But if you don't have a verified profile, it will take up to 3 days. So I would recommend that once you are signed up with Lootgain, you ensure that you verify your profile. You can also withdraw your cash via Amazon Cash or Spotify Cash, or you can earn Google Play Cash. It all depends. And the payment options will also vary depending on the country that you are in. You may have more options. So now let's tap on earn to see some options of how we'll be able to earn. As you can see right here, there are numerous surveys that are available. As you can see, the most frequently completed tasks by people from your country recently. So depending on where you are in the world, you'll get a different option right here. And you can also scroll down and you'll be able to access their offer wall, from which you can tap on any one and do surveys from any one of these companies. And you'll be able to earn loot and then convert your loot to Bitcoin if you like, or Litecoin. It's as easy as that. And yes, you will be able to earn legit money with loot, as I've seen where other persons are making money with loot. But don't expect to make a lot of money, as it all depends on the country that you are in. But this is a legit way on how to earn a few dollars per day. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.